Welcome to this demo of the key new features and capabilities in Sigma Workbooks, the redesigned interface and architecture of Sigma. Sigma Workbooks provides an easy-to-use unified collaborative canvas with new interactive ad hoc analysis capabilities that enables users and teams to share and collaborate on data narratives in one place and quickly make accurate, data-driven decisions. Sigma Workbooks also offers a faster user experience and enhanced embedding capabilities. Now worksheets and dashboards have been unified into a single document called a Sigma Workbook. This makes the linkage between data and visualizations much smoother and intuitive and improves manageability by reducing document sprawl. We see some of this here on the new collaboration canvas, where elements such as spreadsheets, charts, images, and text can be brought together in one place to tell a data story or narrative for teams to collaborate on. Each element can be driven by its own set of data or the data of another element. You no longer have to use several static documents to drive decision-making in meetings. Instead, use the live canvas to tell the story, answer questions as they arise, and drive team decisions all in real time. A Sigma workbook can be organized into multiple pages, each represented by tabs at the bottom. Each page has its own canvas and data elements. Pages can be used to better organize and present all elements of an analysis in a single document and can also be converted into dashboards. The result of these features is a powerful, modern, spreadsheet-like experience. In a single workbook, you can move seamlessly from exploring and analyzing data to presenting and sharing your insights in a few clicks. In Sigma Workbooks, already strong ad hoc analysis capabilities have been enhanced, including new features for interactive and visual analysis. Users can click on any visualization to filter data across any dimension. They can also drill down into any visualization to view the data in a way that makes sense to them. These two features can be used without rigid pre-built drill paths, enabling the free exploration of data. Also new is the ability to expand a visualization to see the underlying data that drives it, making it easy to go beyond a visualization or dashboard and down to the underlying data at the lowest level of detail to quickly answer more complex questions. Other new features that support better interactive ad hoc data analysis include the ability to apply arbitrary formulas to a chart or pivot table. Formulas can include percent of total, margins, custom aggregates, and more. Pivot tables have been enhanced to make it easier to expand and collapse individual values and calculate totals and subtotals using spreadsheet skills. Sigma Workbooks also leverages the local computing power of your browser to execute certain queries, joins, and sorts for data cached in browser memory. These operations finish in milliseconds, improving the user experience. Lastly, an entire Sigma Workbook, or just a page in one, can be embedded into another application so the end viewer can go beyond a dashboard to take advantage of all the functionality we just showed to drive new exploration and analytics. Sigma Workbooks, a unified collaboration canvas for data-driven decision makers and teams with enhanced interactive ad hoc analysis capabilities, a fast user experience, and robust embedded capabilities. For more information, contact Sigma today.